my beauties, this is Hema from Shivani's Boutique, spreading colors globally. What's new today in Shivani's Boutique is the super net kota sarees with patchwork and value added items which we are going to show you today. For prices and product descriptions, please log on to our website www.shivanisboutique.com. Else you can connect to 958550176. Whatever I am showing right now, it's all available in our website. Please go through the website and then place your orders. The first sari is this which I am wearing. The second one is the same sari but of different color. These are all really great for office wears and casual wears, and such a great sari for easy maintenance also. The fabric stuff is like this way, so it's a slim fit sari and it listens to you so good. And the other color, these two are different saris of different colors, same saris of different colors, same patchwork. I'll open this pink and show you guys so that you can understand better. So this is the pallu part with tassels. Alright, this comes this way, and this is the blouse part for this. The one more color is a deep blue color sari with a red matching. What is the next patchwork is this? The patchwork are little different in each. 1, 2 and 3. All the 3 patchwork are really different. You can see this. This comes with a check blouse. Alright. And then see this, such a beautiful sari. The patchwork is so amazing. The quality of the sari is really good, and this is the pallu part for this. Alright. The pallu with the patch and body border will be patch all over, and this is the blouse part for this check blouse. And the other sari is this with the check blouse and with a beautiful patchwork. See this. This is the pallu part. This comes this way, and the border is this patchwork, and this is the blouse part. And the third sari is this. So all sarees are please available in our website. If you need any assistance, if you are not able to find the particular saree, please contact our WhatsApp number 95855017762. We have only limited collections all the time, and we don't have repeats in that. So this is the blouse for this. And what's next? See this, a black beauty. These are all with the same pattern but of different colors. I'll open this yellow and show. Yellow with beautiful vibrant pink color. See, this is the sari, and sari comes this way. Such a beautiful amazing saris. These are all easy maintenance. And one more color is a black with red combination. These two are same designs with different color combination. Let me open this blue and show. Nice, beautiful concepts. Happy saris these are all, because easy maintenance, and for office goers I think this is the best sari. Slim fit also. So this is how the sari looks. All over patches, and this is the blouse part for this. The other color is a deep maroon with black color. Wow, this patchwork is so nice, and the color combination is also very elegant. See the sari? The sari comes this way, all over patches with handwork, and then this is a check blouse for this. The next sari is this. These are all super net kotas with blouse attached. The blouse will be entirely different, and this is sari pallu, and the blouse part is this. What's next? See this. It's an elephant patch hand embroidery with machine embroidery together with an amazing cut work. You can find cut works on elephant, and the blouse is such a beautiful contrast matching blouse. What's next? Next patchwork are these. All are very patchworks. Beautiful patchwork. The patchworks are little different in these. Each and every sari are unique in its own way, so that you guys can log on to our website and zoom all the photographs and then place your orders. So this is how the pallu looks, and this is the sari, and you can find minute tiki works, yellow color, and the patchwork comes here and there all over the sari. And this is the blouse part for this. Second color in this is a beautiful green color. Same concept with the milk rose color blouse. For the light, the colors are little different, but still you can see the photography and then place your orders. See this, all are amazing whirly patchwork with hand touch, human touch. And patchwork comes all over the border, and this is the blouse part for this. The other sari is this black color with a beautiful vibrant pink matching. So what's next? It's a kota with embroidery, machine embroidery. Very simple and elegant sari, orange color. So this is the sari full. It comes, the embroidery comes chidiya and sparrow, and this is the blouse part for this. Super net kotas with cotton. See this, such an elegant printed all over, right? And this is how the sari looks, and this is the blouse part for this. Then comes the sari. All are nice, lightweight and easy maintenance sari. It is very suitable for our Indian climate also. So this is how the sari is, and this is the blouse part for this. What's next? This is a nice elegant design. I'll open this color. This is a very different color. The beauty of the sari is the blouse. Blouse comes with a weaving pattern similar to that of the pallu part. Alright, and this is how the sari looks. See this, such a nice sari it is, and this is how the blouse. And one more color is a pista green color with the same blouse matching. Blouse comes this way. What's next? See, these are all beautiful patchwork with embroidery, super net kotas, easy maintenance sari, and you will not sweat because it's very lightweight and airy also. So this is the blouse, cotton blouse for this, and see this, a beautiful pink with a contrast matching blouse for this. All are nice, all are unique in its own ways. We have only limited collections. We don't have repeats in this. This is for the pleat area. Alright, and this is the blouse part for this. And what's next? These are all handwork, tikki works, abla works here and there, and for the pallu part also. See how it looks. The sari is very nice, and the color is very good. This is how the sari is, and this is the blouse part. Then comes our patchwork. These are all not super net kotas. These are all half chanderis. Half chanderis, you can wear it as single pleated also. It is not transparent. So this is how the fabric looks. All over patchwork is there, and we have a beautiful contrast matching blouse for this. And I've got one more color is this. See this. These two saris are half chanderis with patchwork. Since we are doing a patchwork video, I thought I can add along this sari also. Beautiful sari with a contrast matching blouse part for this. And then comes this. This is also chanderi, half chanderis. Easy maintenance sari with embroidery. You can find embroidery at the border and the blouse. Border and the blouse are the same. And I have got one more color in this. Nice, beautiful peacockish color. And then what's next? See this. You can find minute hand work, abla works on the pallu and also on the borders. This is how the sari look. See this. And the blouse part is this. So next is the same half chanderi, and this comes with the embroidery all over. Sari is so nice and simple with value added. This is how the sari looks, and this is the blouse part. And my last 3 saris of these of similar concept, 1, 2, and then 3. I'll open this red color. It's a very deep red color, so you can find attached border. This is how the sari look, and this is the blouse part for this, and the 2 different saris of these. These are all half chanderis where the fabric is not a little transparent. It's not that much transparent as kotas, but both are equally good for regular wears, office wears, and casual wears and easy maintenance. Alright guys, hope you enjoyed seeing our collections. We have only one saris in each, so whatever you want you can place your orders, or else if you need any assistance, 958-550-1762 is our number. Thank you so much. We'll meet you soon with loads more collections, spreading colors globally. And this is Hema. Bye bye.